All right, we continue now. Good afternoon. This is chemistry teacher Folajimi Akinpeloye. From where we stopped, we shall be looking at, we have looked into pH. Now let's see what happened next. This slide is talking about acidity or alkalinity can be identified by indicator or measured by universal indicator which change color in accordance with the pH of the medium, thereby showing the acidity, the acidic or the basic content of it. Let's say, look at what exactly I'm explaining here. This is methyl orange is an indicator. Take note, if you don't know before, lithium, litmus, this is litmus paper, is used as indicator. Phenolphthalein is another indicator. Let us see, if you have methyl orange and you put acid inside methyl orange, the methyl orange will turn to red. That's the indication. If you have blue litmus paper and you put it inside a solution that contains acid, that blue litmus paper will turn red. If you have a phenolphthalein solution and you pour little acid inside a phenolphthalein solution, it will turn it colorless. Now, acidic medium. If you, in basic or alkaline medium, if you put methyl orange inside an alkali or a base, the methyl orange will turn yellow. If you put litmus paper, red litmus paper inside an alkali, it will turn it blue. If you put phenolphthalein inside an alkali, it will turn it purple. Now say what I'm talking about. pH range and color change of a universal indicator. Now we shall move on to what we call types of salt. We are now under salt. Sometimes when salt is mentioned, people think it is the salt we eat at home. It's not always true. And that is why I shall be telling you the 5 different types of salt. Number 1 of them is the normal salt. That's the common salt. You can get it in the market. You can borrow from your neighbor. You can do anything with it. Acid salt, basic salt, double salt, and complex salt. If I may ask you this simple question, how many types of salt do we have? Your response will be 5. Mention the 5. Number 1, normal salt. Number 2, acid salt. Number 3, basic salt. Number 4, double salt. Number 5, complex salt. Those are the types of salt we have. Now let's look at normal salt. Normal salts are formed when all the replaceable hydrogen ion in the acid have been completely replaced by metallic ion. Very simple. I take that again. Normal salts are formed when all the replaceable hydrogen ion in the acid have been completely replaced by metallic ion. For instance, NaCl is a normal salt, ZnSO4 is a normal salt. Look at it. This is an acid. This hydrogen is what makes it an acid. Because the hydrogen makes it an acid, you can now see that here all the hydrogen are gone. We are having a metal here. So this makes it a normal salt. This is also a normal salt because we have 2 hydrogen atoms here. And because there are 2 hydrogen atoms here, and here there is no hydrogen atom at all in this compound, it makes it a normal salt. So those are the examples of normal salt. Put that on your mind. Revision It's a process of growth. For you to grow in the learning process, you have to reverse again and again. You have to learn something over and over. So I shall be giving you some tips, some jokes as we proceed. But if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, it won't cost you anything. Just click on the subscription and you are good to go. So bye for now.